unmanned aircraft is quite a complex thing because there's an awful lot of electronics inside it.
This is a dramatic display, very impressive display for a very large aircraft. Isn't that something?
Jesus Christ.
Right?
And
380 is also to be powered by the Rolls-Royce Trent 900 engine. Range of the 380 up to 8,500 nautical miles. That's with a full load of passengers. At the beginning of the show, 390 A380 orders were already in from 18 customers, including one leasing company. So far, more than 190 A380s have been delivered to 13 operators. That's just the start of this. To look at the potential aircraft A1 for a slow pass, right to left. All the slow passes will go right to left. High alpha, high angle attack. So this huge aircraft, this majestic A380, over the birthplace of British aviation here at Farnborough, drifting past at a mere ground speed of 128 knots. I see that happen with the delivery on a flight tracker up here in the Coventry position. Pulling away.
just say bye now.
Very flexible further inset, which is used for the normal operations of tag, keep the aircraft higher over the approach area. But for Farnborough we have another landing spot, which is around where the 350 is about that. So we've got a different landing spot. The A350 WB, extra wide body. The 80 will go as far in the runway, turn around, actually back up to the far right, and he puts back into his parking slot. Airborne, an equally dramatic display is the 350. Earlier this week, Sir Richard Branson was here on Monday, along with the Right Honourable Ben, Prime Minister.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
53% of it is composites.
Still see red arrows on there.
Here comes down on the 350. Another message to see it's number 38 band in the way. 400 on the runway about to start this run. And right from turning off that on 454.
It's so slow on this.
Yeah.
They're like the
Go on,
engine.
Mark. Get over the fence.
Yeah.
Go on.
It's because it can only catch 50 frames.
No one's watching, no one's going to know. Be careful on that bit. Keep away, Mark, from the camera. A400 now, starting the take-off run. This is Atlas.
That took off so late.
is the military airlifter from Airbus. Medium-sized multi-role transporter, really in fruition in December
That took us
09.
so late.
The first aircraft in January 05.
Is that an Airbus A400M?
Maiden flight, December 06. That flight test program on that flight, 5,655 hours. It's already received its full civil military certification. Designed for the carrying of troops and oversized cargoes, including armoured vehicles and helicopters. Ability to undertake tactical delivery operations from unprepared strips was of significant importance. In other words, it can land on really rough, short, narrow strips, windows, more potential airflow, great distance reach, and improve engine outstanding. That whole method, that whole concept, has the full set of lift. Really true, NBC night goggles capability. Steep approach because of the runway light to get out. That means that he is positioning for a landing. It'll be a very short landing using the reverse pitch propellers. We'll get a little bit of reversing, I think, or maybe a 360 degree turn on the runway. It depends on the layout of the taxiways for after landing and what he's going to do. The A350 is floating around joining up with the red arrows, of which we're expecting that flight path to be from your left to your right of the 350 with the red arrows, but I will confirm that once I get them in flight, and that's the plan, I believe. A400M, from Airbus to Boeing, with the Royal Air Force aerobatic team of red arrows. Happy birthday, Boeing.
Where's the red tent? Is that the back one?
No, it's not there, there's 9 there.
What? That's weird.
That's why I was moaning about it.